One of the questions we get asked all the time at planDisney.com is, where can I eat at the Disneyland Resort hotels?
And today we're going to show you all of our favorite spots, from quick service locations, table service, character dining, and even a place to grab a cocktail or two before the end of your night.
Hey, let's play Disney.
Well, here we are starting our morning at the Sketch Pad Café at Pixar Place Hotel. And each of the Disneyland Resort hotels has a quick service place like this to start your morning.
Yes, and my favorite spot is the Disneyland Hotel's coffee house, where I always mobile order my morning latte, and I'm good to go.
All right, well, let's start the day.
Cheers. So another great thing about the Disneyland Resort hotels is character dining.
It's an opportunity to see the characters without a park ticket, and it's something perfect to do on your arrival or departure day to get a little extra Disney magic.
We're actually right by Goofy's kitchen. Should we see if
let's go see if we can see Goofy.
Hi, Goof.
Goofy, we're here to see you. Oh my goodness.
Well, we've been here before, and it is delicious. You do a great job.
Yes, my compliments to the chef. Thank you so much, Goofy.
We're gonna go take a bite.
Bye, see you later.
What I love about Goofy's kitchen is that it's open for breakfast, brunch, and dinner.
And you know, over at the Storytellers Cafe, I love the food. The character experiences are fantastic. I go there all the time with my family. We celebrate milestones, the holidays, they have seasonal options. Well, it's lunchtime and we're ready to enjoy some quick service here at Tangaroa Terrace at the Disneyland Hotel. And this place is looking a little familiar.
Are we gonna tell everyone that we actually had dinner here last night too, and we're back for lunch?
Yes, because we love it. And I love the live entertainment options that's offered. At the Californian, the Craftsman Grill is another great quick service option for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. The food's great there.
And then at Pixar Place, there's Small Bites, which is up on the roof deck, which makes it have a beautiful view and a lot of great quick options.
Well, let's dig in.
Here we go. Oh my gosh.
How many people does that feed?
Right?
Whoa, that looks so good.
There's a lot of table service options at the Disneyland Resort hotels. One of the planDisney panelists' favorites is right here at the Craftsman Bar at Californian.
This is where we come every time one of us is in town. We meet here and we get reservations. Over at Pixar Place, you can enjoy the great maple modern American eatery. They've got maple bacon donuts on the menu, so I think that's a must try.
There's also a lot of bar and lounge options. Here at Californian, there's the Hearthstone Lounge, where you can grab a glass of wine and some appetizers or even an entree.
And over at Disneyland Hotel, there's Broken Spell Lounge, which also offers specialty cocktails, entrees, even dessert.
It's been a really fun day, and I feel so lucky we get to end the day at Trader Sam's Enchanted Tiki Bar at the Disneyland Hotel, which, if you're looking for an immersive experience outside the parks, this is it.
There is something to see everywhere you look. It feels like you stepped into Adventureland.
It truly does, and it's a one-of-a-kind experience. I don't want to give too much away, but there's a few surprises, and you might want to double-check which seat you choose at the bar. Am I shrinking?
I don't know, are you? You're getting shorter and shorter.
So long.
See you next time.
All right, well, you just never know what's going to happen here at Trader Sam's.
You really don't. Oh, okay, and I heard that there are some special effects depending on what you order.
Yes, so shall we? Cheers.
Yes. Cheers.
To a fun day.
To a fun day.
Do you have any more questions about planning your Disney vacation?
Come visit us at planDisney.com.